Hi, hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Adrian and this is English with Adrian, helping you expand your English, increase your vocabulary and speak like a native Englishman. Let's get started. Let's talk about going to. So going to is used to talk about action that you will or may be doing in the future, something you're planning on doing with advance notice, what's called premeditated action. Something you're going to do. I'm going to this. I'm going to that. So let's look at how it's made in a sentence. So subject, he, be form, is in this case, going to. Base verb, sell, for example, sell, get some money. His old car, rest of the sentence. We are going to China, I'm not sure when, maybe end of next year, or spring festival. Ideally, well, I wanted to go to China February 2020, but probably not, highly unlikely. I may be going to Bermuda. I'd like to, a bit of research. I am going to Gibraltar in September 2019. How cool is that? She is going to... could be anything. She's going to clean the car. She is going to climb a mountain. Perhaps. Climb a mountain. They are going to go fishing tomorrow. They are going to the gym. Yeah, they are going to maybe walk to the gym. They are going to cycle to the gym. She is going for a dog walk tomorrow, or maybe even next week. Yeah. So going to talks about actions that we are going to do in the future. In terms of will or may be doing in the future. I may be going to, I don't know, I may be going anywhere in the world, I don't know when, Panama sometime, ooh, that'd be cool, Panama, I may be going to Panama, when? I don't know, let's plan it, But, let's keep going, there's a few more things to consider. But let's have a look at this though, because going to can be used to make predictions, like something you think will happen in the future based on evidence you have now. So you think something's going to happen based on what you see around you. So let's have a look. Look at the traffic. All these cars. Look at all these cars. It is going to be busy. Look at all these cars. It's going to be busy. It's going to be busy, yeah. We are going to climb the mountain. It is going to be long and tiring. Long and tiring. We are going to walk to the train station. It is going to be long and tiring. It's going to be long and tiring, yeah. I think he is going to go to Marbella in the spring. I think he is going to go to Wales soon, on the 20th. She might be going to France. I don't know, France soon. She may be going to the party tonight. I think she will be. She told me on the phone, yeah. So again, predictions, things that you think might happen based on evidence, what you see in front of you. We are going to, I am going to record and upload more videos, definitely. You are going to watch more videos, definitely, definitely. But there's one more thing about going to. Let's keep going. But we can rearrange the sentence ever so slightly by moving the be form to make a question. to make a question into something, as opposed to making a prediction, we can ask questions about the future. So, statement, Adrian is going to be at the party. Adrian is going to be at the party. He told me. He told me he's going to be there, yeah. But then we move the subject and the be form around. Is Adrian going to be at the party? Is he going to be at the party? Adrian is going to the party. Is Adrian going to the party? Question. I am going to wear a hat. Full stop. Statement. I am going to wear a hat. I am going to wear suspenders. Yeah. Am I going to wear a hat? Am I going to wear a hat outside? I don't know. I hadn't thought about that. Am I going to wear suspenders? Yes. Yes, I am. She is. She is going to play the guitar. The guitar, definitely. Is she going to play the guitar? Is she? I don't know. It's a question. A question. And then, she is going to play the guitar. I know she will. I've seen her before. And she's booked for tonight. She's got a guitar. She knows how to play it. She is going to play a guitar. But is she going to play the guitar? I don't know. Maybe. Is she going to play it, or is she going to play the tambourine? Don't know. Don't know. Interesting stuff. So, move the be form around a little bit with the subject, and you can go from a statement, Adrian is going, to is Adrian going? You can create a question. How cool is that? However, if you want to keep learning English, if you're going to keep learning English, and you want to expand your vocabulary, and if you are going to speak like a native Englishman, then hit the subscribe button below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest videos. How cool is that? But until then, bye for now.